This is Potensic Atom, and in today's video I'll show how you can set a timer while shooting photos on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to launch the camera view of the Potensic Pro app, then find this little button here, make sure that your shooting mode is set to photo. So your shutter button should be white, not red. If it's red, that means that you are currently in the video recording mode. And once you are in the pictures or photo mode, you'll find this little alarm clock icon, so tap on it to use the timer option. So simply set your desired delay or the time intervals that you would like to take your pictures at. And well, I guess that will be more or less it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.